Hey y'all, hey, I'm just going to show y'all a really quick little eyebrow tutorial. It is super beginner friendly now. In my 20s, I used to feel like I want to have my eyebrows cute. Now, keep in mind, I was born with very bony, bald-headed eyebrows, but I thought I still need to do something to them because my makeup is not complete until I do. And so I started plucking them and plucking them and plucking them. And before you knew it, I was a chicken head and I didn't have nothing left and they never did grow back. So I have over time really perfected my eyebrow technique. So I thought I would share because it's very beginner friendly and my eyebrows be given every time, okay? They give every time. Now, you guys need to also know this. I'm only showing you one eyebrow in this video, but eyebrows are cousins. Close enough cousins, but they're never going to be twins. They might even be sisters here and again, but they're not going to be twins always. Probably never. My eyebrows, even before I draw them on or do anything to them, don't look the same. So, of course, when I am perfecting them, they're not going to look the exact same. So, don't get overly concerned about your eyebrows not looking the same. But anyway, so all the products that I'm using, I will link in the comments below. Just click the link and it'll take you to my YouTube channel. In the video, there's a little bit more detailed and I break down all the products as well as give you links directly to these products. It's not sponsored. I have like 2.5 subscribers. Nobody's sponsoring me, but these are just the products that I found that work really, really good. Like every so many months, I switch up my products and even sometimes my technique. But for right now, this is what I'm doing and I'm really, really loving it. You'll see here, I'm dancing my little tail off because child, listen, oh, right here. Oh, I was so hurt. My little favorite little e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, the eyebrow pencil broke. I was very heartbroken, but that's okay. I put a little tape on it and I kept it moving. But anyways, I'm over here dancing. I'm listening to some music, kind of getting in the zone. I did a whole makeup tutorial this day. I was trying to do that like brown girl friendly latte look, which is ain't nothing but a repackaged girl some bronzy makeup. But anyway, I ended up deleting the footage on an accident, so I'm gonna have to redo all of that. But for now, I was able to kind of salvage some of the footage, so the eyebrows I was able to keep. I also do another little piece of this that I think I still have where I bronzed up my chest, but I'm just now showing you, hey, this is what it's looking like. Now I got eyebrows, and if the links to everything in the video is gonna be in the comment section below. Make sure you guys follow for more mental health and makeup tips. Bye. Since you're already here, you might as well watch another video. I'll just put it right here for you. It's right here. It's just one little click. Go ahead. So we can be together longer, okay? Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.